Hi everyone, my name is Fo, and in today's video we're going to talk about how I got this simple pinned hairstyle. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I did was I started off on freshly shampooed, conditioned, and detangled hair. So when I detangle my hair with conditioner in the shower, I go ahead and I put it in twist, and then I rinse the conditioner out twist by twist and put the hair back into the twist to keep my hair detangled. No matter what style I'm going to do, I always start off with my hair sectioned in twist. So I started off with that, and I made sure to blot any excess water out of my hair with a microfiber towel. After I blotted excess water out of my hair with the microfiber towel, I went in with this Go-To Hydrating Hair Milk by Up North Naturals, and the instructions for this hair milk actually say to blot any excess water out of the hair. So I went in with this hair milk, and this hair milk is water-based. It does say on some of the labels that the first ingredient is shea butter, but the first ingredient, if you look at the website, is actually water. The second ingredient is shea butter. This is not detox friendly if you're doing the 30-day hair detox, but Black Girl Curls is not opposed to using well-formulated products that include shea butter in the top 5 ingredients. It's just for the 30-day hair detox. You don't use products with shea butter, coconut oil, castor oil in the top 5 ingredients. So I went ahead and I used this, the hydrating hair milk. And after I used the hydrating hair milk, I put each section back in twist, and to sort of let the leave-in settle or marinate. I do that with anything that I start off with as a base, whether it's a leave-in or any other product. And then I started taking down the twist and gently running my hands through the ends of the twist. And I would take the twist and I would twist them at the ends, leaving a puffy portion at the top of the twist. And then I would take my hair and I would fold it and tuck it with an open pin. Now I'm going to show you now me folding my hair and tucking it, because when I filmed it I didn't realize it was so dark in my bathroom. So I'm going to take a piece down. I'm trying to get one of the front pieces. Yeah. Oop. Okay. So I use open pins like this as opposed to bobby pins because these are less likely to snatch out my hair. And so what I do after I have, you see where it's twisted? So it's twisted from here down, but at the top it's nice and puffy, right? So I take the hair and I just tuck it and try to hide the twist. So I'm tucking it and I'm hiding the twist, and I'm just gonna pop the open pin into it. And so I just did that all over my head. I will show you another one from another area of my head. Which one am I doing? So here's another one. I'm trying to make sure I'm gentle. Here's another one from my shortest hair at the back of my head. So I just took it and I twisted it, and you see that there's a puffy part that I keep right here, and I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna tuck it down, and then I'm gonna take my open pin and then I'm going to tuck the open pin into it. So I did this style on damp hair, and because my hair was damp and it's still a little bit more flexible from being damp, it wasn't as big as it could have been. The puffs, they weren't as big and standing upright as they could have been because I did this on damp hair. I had to, but typically I'll put a picture of what it looks like. I used to do this style all the time in 2018. So I'll put a picture of what it looked like when I used to do the style in 2018. This is, of course, prior to the big chop I had in 2020. But so I put a picture of what it looked like when I used to do the style in 2018 on dry hair. So the way that I did this on dry hair was I'm not 100% sure how I used to do it, but I'll tell you how I would do it now. So now I would start on freshly shampooed, conditioned, detangled hair. I would of course still blot the excess water from the twist, and I would go in with something like really light, like a refresher spray that has good humectants and conditioning ingredients, or maybe a light spray leave-in. I would go in with that and spray that on the hair, and then instead of twisting it back, I would actually put a whole bunch of big plaits, braids in my hair to stretch my hair overnight. And also I would probably sit under the dryer for a little bit of time to make sure my hair dries and it's not holding water too much because of the braids. And then in the morning, once my hair is stretched, I would go in with the hydrating hair milk and then just apply that gently and finger detangle the hair. And then once again do that process of just twisting. So I would just gently detangle this end part in the morning, and then just go ahead and once again twist just the ends of my hair and leave a puffy part at the top, and then go ahead and tuck, grab a pin, and pop it in. And to me, this hairstyle looks better when it's done on dry hair as opposed to damp hair, because it, like I said, it stands up bigger and it has more form, and so all the little puffs don't look like they're sort of just melding together the way they look right now. But let me tell you, I had a horrible wash day because I was coming off of being sick, so I had a lot of detangling to do, and so I was just over it. But I had a very important presentation today, and I knew that I needed to go ahead and do my hair last night. So I just dug into my ancestral memory bank and I did this hairstyle that I used to do all the time. Now, the first people that I saw do this hairstyle were Tolani. I saw Tolani do this hairstyle, and then I saw Gloria Kings doing this hairstyle. I might have seen Gloria Kings do it first, but she mentioned that Tolani was the first person she had ever seen do it. So those are the two people back in 2018 that inspired me to start doing this beautiful hairstyle. Well, first let me show you front, side, back. Okay, so this is the next day, day 3, in different lighting. But please be mindful that this hairstyle wouldn't be so smashed and it would have a lot more form if I had done this on dry hair. But I just really wanted you all to see a little bit of what it looked like or somewhat of what it looks like in better lighting, because my hair is so dark. I wish I had have gotten it initially yesterday in better lighting when it wasn't quite so smashed from it being done on damp hair and then also me sleeping on it. But yeah. Now, like I said, don't judge me too harshly. I'm rusty. I haven't done this style in a while. So I do think it will look better the more I practice this style. Will I do this hairstyle more often? Maybe. I'm a wash and go girl, but this style is nice and easy. When I think I'm definitely going to pull the style out more as I progress through life, and different changes come about. Let me just say that. So the busier I get, I know that I'll do this hairstyle more. And then also, this is a good hairstyle for travel. I would definitely pull this hairstyle out for travel. Of course, I would initially start off with my wash and go, but if something happens with humidity, or maybe I go swimming and I'm not gonna bring a whole diffuser and gels and all this other type of stuff on vacation with me, I'm just gonna bring a small travel size shampoo, conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner, and I'll just do this hairstyle and feel beautiful and feel sexy and show my face card. So another way to jazz up this hairstyle, I want to make sure to say that, is to throw a scarf across it. I used to do that all the time. I would throw a scarf across it and it just looks so cute, and I would make sure this front area was nice and high. And so that is another possible suggestion if you're wanting to wear this hairstyle, you want to jazz it up. So maybe hair pins and all sorts of things that are decorative, I know could help jazz up this pinned hairstyle. Other positive features of this hairstyle. This hairstyle really, really shows off my texture. So this hairstyle shows off all the crimps and waves and everything that I have going on with my hair texture in an undefined state. So this gives me the pleasure of showing off my hair in an undefined state and it not result in a bunch of knots and tangles. Because as much as I love an afro, the reason why I don't wear afros often is because of the possible knots and tangles. Because I'm not willing to use heavy lubricants like grease and things like that in order to prevent those knots and tangles. That's not my cup of tea. There's nothing wrong with it, but because of that, I really don't wear those undefined styles to show off my texture more. So I can rock this and show off my texture in an undefined state. You can see all those crimps and waves and all the different things that my hair has going on very, very beautifully in an undefined state. And I feel like a Nigerian princess because I am one. Tell me if you want to see me do this on dry hair, so you can see how it stands up more with dry hair. Another thing I should tell you all, I like this hair milk, but unfortunately I will not be able to repurchase it because of my scent sensitivity. It's a little too natural. It has an orange oil fragrance, which I think is getting to me and irritating me. So I'm not going to be able to repurchase this hair milk, but I really, really like it because I like the function of being able to use it on towel blotted hair or dry hair. I like that because it's not going to revert my hair as much as some other leave-in conditioners. Because if something starts to revert my hair too much, because my hair is so hydrated, my hair will start to curl up. I actually tried this style with mousse, and that did not work. That was ugly. I had a fail initially trying this style with some mousse, because what would happen with the mousse, because it has things for holding it, is my hair will start to like curl up because my hair is so hydrated. And then when I'm trying to take it and put it in these puffs, it doesn't look as good because it looks like it's trying to do some sort of wash and go when I'm just trying to show off my texture in an undefined state. So mousse didn't work out for me with this style. That milk, it worked out for me, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to move on to something else. Maybe I'll be able to find something fragrance-free milk-wise. Maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just have to settle for something that at the moment doesn't irritate me when it comes to the fragrance. It's what they use to make the fragrance. It's not the strength of the fragrance. I'm learning that irritates me at times. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video, this quick style that I threw together, digging into my ancestral memory bank. So let me know what you all think below of this style. Let me know if you're going to try it. Tag me on Instagram at faux_aduni_ if you're going to do this style and you put up a picture on Instagram. So once again, thanks for watching. Share this video, like, comment. Bye-bye.